So here's a dope one for TikTok over here. This car been making a shitload of noise on TikTok, guys. You wanna know why? This T3 Caravelle has air suspension in firstly, no? So this thing is on air ride. Secondly, it is an R32, guys. So this thing has a 3.2 liter motor in, V6 engine, guys. Thirdly, this car has 2 ducts in there, That is a Q7 sunroof in the front, and at the back we've got the Renault Megane sunroof. So I'm just gonna ask the driver to start it up for us there quickly, so that you guys can hear what it sounds like.
It's already idling.
It's already idling. It's so quiet.
Yeah.
Let me go to the back and have a look. Guys, the car is idling. Can you even hear it? Yes, so dope. Lovely, guys. This here is one of my favorite cars of the day. This body kit alone is so original, guys. You do not find that. Then we've got the Starfish that is stepped out. That's an OEM Starfish over there, guys. And then remember the sunroof, check it there. Q7 duck in the front. And we've got the Renault Megane duck at the back. Yes, lekker. What air suspension you got in here? Caster air suspension, Bluetooth. Don't you wanna air it out for us, please?
Sprayed over Polo was just yesterday, man. Came did another little sexy swing for us. The Asian Spike Lee, we got Jared Duncan in the mix.
Guys, I'm loving this car. Yes, Steve. Comment, let us know what you think about this car, guys. 5 years in the making. He's been building it for 5 years. And finally, it's not 100% where he wants it, but it's almost there.
Emotion. We got 4. We're not judges, we can talk though, we can talk. Me and you, we can talk. Wasabi, 5. Okay, we're gonna cut it at 5. I think I'll pop it. Puna on one end. 5 contenders by general contenders.
Here we go, guys.
Of the people around
R32 in a bus. Yo.
We got Emotion, we got Escobar, we got Tick 1R.